Okay. And we're still continuing on.
There we are.
Oh, that's right. I have a selfie stick in my back, but am I using it? No.
Oh, you carried that whole backpack for... Oh, I feel
I
bad.
forgot about it. Yeah. No, it's just a selfie stick. It's no big deal. Ew.
I might be buying some shoes this week.
Yeah, I can't believe you with all your shoes.
Yep.
What do you think did that?
What?
Ripping that apart like that.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Bears.
Yeah, it said we saw signs that watch out for raging bull moose
And bears.
and bears.
And elk.
Yes.
He said they're aggressive.
Was it elk? Maybe it was elk, not bull moose. I don't know. Yes, so we've already seen their tracks.
It's a little scary.
Yeah, one came
Not in
charging.
Disney.
At least they have big trees to hide behind. You see those other shows with these tiny little sticks you gotta hide behind a raging bull moose. Although it'll take us 5 minutes to go climb behind one. Look at this steam.
Torn up. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
The steam coming off the wet. You can see how wet everything is. Look at the smoke from the sun hitting it.